Right. Good morning, everyone. So last class, we are trying to understand arithmetic operators. Tell me, what is the use of plus operator? Adding. What adding? Adding two numbers, two characters, two strings also. If I use plus operator for adding two numbers or two characters, it acts as addition operator. If we are using at least one string as an operand, either left side or right side, then concatenation operator. Okay. Can I use minus operator for adding two strings? I mean, for subtracting two strings? No. Can I use into operator for subtracting two, to multiply two strings? No. Plus, minus and into division modulo operators are only used for numbers or characters. For strings, we can use only plus operator. Okay. So please answer these questions. Yesterday we discussed if at least one string is appeared inside the expression. I have prepared a big expression. In that expression, string is appeared. After string onwards, every plus is act as a concatenation operator. Before the string available, pluses will act as a addition operator. Am I right? Then next tell me, in presence of concatenation, if you want to use any plus as a addition operator, what should I do? I must place in the bracket. So these are the points we have discussed in last class. Now, let's try to understand. Okay. So now here, last class we completed. Let's see, are there any? What happened to this? Look at here. Is this compiled or not? Just quickly check and tell. Can I use a plus operator on any type of numbers or any type of operands? Can I use plus between integer and double value? Yes, sir? No, no. No. Can I add integer and double number? No, no. Hey, maths babu. 20 and 5.7. Can you add or not? Yes, we can add. What is the output? 25.7. Is there any conversion? Is there any value conversion? Yes. Who? 20 is converted to 20.0. In my childhood, I remember in my 4th class or 5th class, sorry, 4th class also remember, and that strongly registered in my mind. My sir completed this addition subtractions and then he gave me 1 point to answer on board written. Then seriously, I'm writing 25.7, then 25.7. He slapped me and told, where is the 0.0? Okay. After I joined Java, after teaching these points in Java as a faculty, then I realized, Amma, sir, that date, slapped me, I remember. Okay. Then what is happened? Like in maths, in Java also, the lesser type values are promoted to highest range data type used in the expression. Tell me, here the value is coming out as what type value? Is it int type or double type? Double type. An expression can contain different type of values can be used. The expression result will be always highest range data type used in the expression. So here what the value 20.5, here 25.7. Here the lesser type of value promoted to highest range and then addition is happened. Yesterday also the same thing happened. I am using string and number. What compiler doing background? It is a converting that string, this value to what type? String type. And then started concatenating. So you cannot add two different type of values or you cannot subtract two different type of values. They should be under same type. So compiler software trying to convert one type of value to other type. Which type? The highest range used in the expression. If the conversion is not possible, if the types are incompatible, then compiler will throw error. So tell me 20 plus true, allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. 20 should convert to true na. True should convert to 20. Not possible. Compiler throwing error. What the error? Incompatible types or bad operand types. And tell me, true plus true, possible? Not possible because I cannot add Boolean values. Example of plus example object, possible? Not possible. Example object, this line replaced with a reference. This example object replaced with what? Reference. How can I add two references? Not possible. So line number 30, 31, 32 will get compile time errors. Control 1. Compiler throw error. Look at there, what error? Bad operand types for the binary operator. Bad operand for the binary operator. Bad operand for the binary operator. Bad operands types for the binary operator. This is a new compile time error. Whenever you are using operands, if the operator not accepts the type of values, then compiler throw error, bad operands for binary operator. Okay, yesterday continuation 1 point is there. I forgot. Let me finish it. I'm writing here system.out.println of double quotes A into B colon plus A into B. Tell me, is it compiled or not compiled? A minus B, we got compiled error, na? Like that. A into B, compiled or not compiled? Not compiled. Why? Because one of the operand is what? String. Okay. What are the operators you have used? Plus and into. Plus and into. When you use plus and into, what is the preference? What the priority? What the precedence of these operators? Who is having highest priority? Not plus, into. Into will be having always high priority. Then tell me here which operator first executed? Into. Into left operator, left operand, right operand. A is replaced with 10, B replaced with 20. 10 into 20, 200. Where the time into executing, do you have any string operand? No. Error or no error? No error. Here preference you have to remember. The precedence you have to remember. No compile time error. A into B equal to 200. So minus is error because plus and minus having same priority. Into is not error because into plus into is having highest priority. Bracket is not required. Okay, write down this statement. No compile time error because into is executed first. Into is executed first. Slowly, students are becoming lazy. Okay. I don't know why. In every batch, I'm seeing 1 month people are having full Josh. After that, slowly going out. Mood is gone. Okay, only sleeping or time pass. Okay, asking for online link. Okay, yesterday 2 students asked the online link for the admin, saying that tomorrow I have exams. Okay, show your ID card. I mean, hall ticket. Sorry. Okay. Why you have exams there? Na? Exams there and what you should show your hall ticket. Show me the hall ticket, he asked. Then silently they left. Why you are cheating us? Why you are telling lies? Why you want to move from offline to online? Why you want to feel lazy? Why you want to walk? Why can't you walk to the classroom? So I don't know why students are this day by day becoming worst. I don't know why you are not having focus on your career. Demo class, I told you 3 months is the course, right? You already agreed 3 months. Then why you are in the stop middle of the course? Why you are losing your interest? So it's a really bad, man. If any of your friend is sitting in the room, not coming to class, give his number or number to me. I will talk. I will call. Anybody sitting there? Send me online attending or not at all coming. Is he online attending or not coming to class? Not coming. What is the problem? Why? Why sleeping? Why then? Why he joined the course then? Did he inform his parents? You inform. He send a message to his parents. Seriously, I'm telling. If you want to be a best friend of your friend, when he's lazy, wasting the time, you have to inform to parents. Call to their parents. Their number there now with you. Send message. Silently take number from his mobile. Okay. Such a nasty people, Rao. Okay, if you not understand something, every minute I'm asking, understand or not understand, I'm asking. Yes, if you don't understand, I'm helping you to understand, explaining. Why people are lazy, I don't know. Why paying 3,500? Why paying every month 5,000 to the hostel? Why extra 5,000 you are eating food? Per month you are wasting 10,000 for hostel and staying in Hyderabad. Okay, write down this. Completed? So any compile time error? No, because multiplication is executed first. So what is the evaluation order here? A replaced with 10. You can write evaluation, and B is replaced with 20, and then it is multiplied 200, and then now 200 converted to double quotes 20 and multiplied. Result is A into B 200. I'm giving notes neatly, point by point explaining. Class Sorry, boys are not coming, okay. Girls also not coming. Girls also asking for, can you give me online class? ఎందుకు చదువుకోవటం లేకపోతే ఎందుకు వచ్చారు హైదరాబాద్? Boys are lazy, irresponsible idiots. Okay, na? You girls are taking all the risk from all the way from your native place to Hyderabad. You come for wasting the time. If you don't want to study, happily go back to home, ask your parents for the marriage. Problem solved. అదే సినిమాలో నాన్న నాకు పెళ్లి చేసేయండి నాన్న. At least that 30,000, 40,000 can be used as your dowry. Your father will be safe. See, dowry is obviously will be there, no boys? Nowadays it's not used gift. Okay. Think practically, okay? Be practical. Okay, completed this one. Okay, next. Write down. Rule. We cannot apply. Next point. Rule. We cannot apply arithmetic operators. We cannot apply arithmetic operators on. We cannot apply arithmetic operators on Boolean, comma, array, and class type objects. Array and class type objects. It leads to compile time error. It leads to compile time error. Write on this. These are all compulsory asking entry questions. Written test exam, you definitely will face these questions in the interview. Don't write system.out.println, write SOPLN. What is the compile time error? Bad operand types. I'll tell you the reason why your friends are not getting interest to come to the class, because lack of studying daily. When daily, if they don't study, yesterday topic I'm using in the next class, then what happened? You will not answer the questions, feel not understanding. Then you feel, anyways, I don't understand. Why should I go to the class? So daily, if you are studying, practicing, and coming to the next class, you will enjoy. Ultimate, you will enjoy. Okay. So more 45 days, 45 days completed, more 45 days, 50% completed, more 50%. Okay. So don't lose interest. Daily study. Without core Java knowledge, you cannot understand advanced Java. You cannot understand Spring Boot microservices. You cannot continue in Java. Oh, no, sir, I don't want Java. I'll go to Selenium, some other. There also you cannot understand. For everything basis, core Java. So don't be lazy. Don't lose interest. Study properly. Daily, how much time you need to study every day? 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes if you study core Java, given notes, enough. Okay. Completed? It's error, it's error, it is error, it is also error. Tell me, is a value 5 plus 6? No, it is a array object reference plus new array object reference bracket missing. Compiler throw error. Bad operand types. Look at there. Bad operand types for the binary operator plus. Okay. Now, next, I'm asking one statement. Let's see how many people answer. Ready? System.out.println. First you answer, then write. Double quotes, hi plus true. Compile or not compile? If I use true with a number, then compiler throw error. I'm using true with a string. Compile or not compile? Compile. Why? The other operand is converted as string type. This true is converted as double quotes true and combined both and return the value. What is that? Control 1. Control. Understand? Write down. Note. Note. If we use Boolean value, comma, class object and array object, concatenating with string, concatenating with string, concatenating with string with plus operator, concatenating and plus. Just for clarity, I'm writing with a plus operator. We won't get compile time error. We won't get compile time error. Comma, those values are converted as a string and printed. Converted to string and printed. Tell me now, what is the second statement output? Any compile time error or no compile time error? No compile time. What is the output? Hi, true plus true. True, true. Hi, true, true. Okay? Tell me. If I write here like this, if I write here, I am moving this hi in between, then true, hi, true. True, hi, true. No error, no error. True, hi, true. Now tell me. If I move this hi to here, then excellent. This is compile time error. Where? Because true plus true. Here plus is acting as a concatenation, addition error. Okay, write on these 4 points. ఇవి తెలిస్తేనే రిటర్న్ టెస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ పాస్ అవ్వగలరు. If you know these points and remember practiced, then only you can pass written test exam. Think like a compiler and JVM, not as a human. If you are looking at the program like a human, then you will feel, oh, more, these many points, my brain is blasting. If you look at this program as a compiler software, JVM software, then there is no confusion. Compiler and JVM, remember algorithm. What algorithm? This is a plus addition, concatenation, addition. Addition means number, character, only allowed, but true, not allowed. Error. Number of bits are coming, but the point is same point. Plus is used between integer, number, character, string. Minus is only between number, character. Okay. If I use plus for boolean or class or array, compiler throw error. If I use it with string, no compile time error, because they are converting into string. So these points should run in your mind. Algorithm, just algorithm on cases only, that's it. Okay, look at here, one small statement, let me write. Suppose if I write here, hello or hi, whatever, plus new example, any compile time error? Tell me. When you wanted to add this example object to hi, example object is added, example object converted to string and added. Okay, converted to string and added. How? Tell me, is it writing in double quotes like this? No, it is not a literal. It is what? Expression. It is a expression. What expression? Like a plus b. Okay. Now the new operator job is what? Create new object. Create the new object, and that object reference is substituted here. When you print object reference, what is printed? Remember? Class name at the rate hash code. So here, when you use any object concatenating with a string, it is converted as a string as what? Class name at the rate hash code. So first what you have written? New example. New example is converted as class name at the rate hash code. That means what will come here? Object class name is example at the rate hash code. You can understand the reference as what? 1010. So what is the final output will come? No compile time error. Here you will get class name at the rate hash code. Example at the rate. We are assuming 1010. JVM generates some other number. Compile and execute. Look, what is coming? 87AAC21. Hi, example at the rate. Everyone understand? So this is a little tricky point. Be careful. Right. Okay. So when you create an object, now observe here. When you print an object, what is printed? You remember when I print object, is new example printed? No. Because of this new example, background, object is created, no? 1010. Data type chapter, go back. So it's a 1010. Now object is created, its reference is substituted. Whenever printing reference, what is printed? Class name at the rate hash code. So any object you print, it doesn't print directly the object reference. What is printed? Class name at the rate hash code. So this is the string format of the object. So every object string format is what? Class name at the rate hash code. So here what should be happen? Here, when you are concatenating your class object to the string, it should be converted to string. Object string format is class name at the rate hash code. So that's why what is substituted? Class name at the rate hash code is substituted, and that is printed. Understood? Note. Okay, first you explain, then I will tell you the statement. Can I write like this? Hi plus new int of 5. And tell me, when you print int array object, what was printed? Double quotes new int printed or converted to string format? What the meaning of string format of object? Class name at the rate hash code. So what is the class? It is a class object or array object? Array object. Array object means what primitive? Square bracket. Which type of array? I. Int type is what? I. At the rate. Hash code is second reference 2020. Control 1 compile. Control 1 compile. Control 2. Look at there. What is the second object hash code? 6C2253F1. This is JVM generated. So what is the point you read, right? Note any class or array object string format is that objects class name at the rate hash code. Class name at the rate hash code. So when we print or concat a class object or array object, its class name at the rate hash code is printed and concatenate. This is important point. Just try once, you will remember. So these are all the tricky points on completed. Monica, I didn't understand your question. Can you unmute? Which part you are asking? I didn't understand. Which result? Which line number? Oh, this I. Based on the data type. If you use int, I will come. If you use byte, B will come. If you use double, D will come. So now let's see now, are there any points are missing here? Double quotes A plus double quotes B, what result? AB. Double quotes A plus single quote B, AB. Double quotes A plus 10, A10. Double quotes A plus true, A true. Double quotes A plus null, A null. Double quotes A plus new example, A example at the rate hash code. Wonderful. Double quotes A minus double quotes B, compile time error. Double quotes A into double quotes B, compile time error. Double quotes A by double quotes B, compile time error. Double quotes A mod double quotes B, compile time error. I1 plus I2, I1 minus I2, I1 into I2, I by all these are what? Compile time errors. Because this is int type or int array type? Int array type. Next, class objects I created. On class object also I cannot apply all operators. Next, 10 plus 20. Come on. 10 plus 20. 30, okay. That line compile or not compile? Not compile. 10 plus 20.5. Not compile. Single quote A plus single quote B. Not compiled. Because the result type here is int. Here is double. Here is int. Not char int. Single quote A plus single quote B. Result is what? Int. 97 plus 98. 195. You want me to prove? Okay. Ask compiler. Compiler will tell you. Incompatible types. What? Int. Plus operator always generates what? Int result. Next, double quotes A plus 20. Compiler throw error. Because this is a string plus 20. Result is what? String. Okay. 10 plus 20. Can I use directly this expression? No. Okay. I have to use as a variable. Okay. Next, write down last point. Operator precedence. Operators precedence. Operators precedence. What are the arithmetic operators precedence? Multiplication, division, mod has same precedence. Next, plus, minus has next and same precedence. Spelling character precedence. Sina, yes, sir. Okay, same, correct. Tell me, I have this is the expression. In this expression, which operator first executed? Minus first executed, plus first executed? No. Why? Because plus and minus has next priority than multiply, division, mod. Now my question. First division executed or multiplication? First multiplication executed or division executed or mod executed? Whichever coming first, that is executed. In an expression, whichever coming first, that is executed. Understand? In this expression, okay, in mathematics, we have BODMAS rule. You can apply BODMAS rule and find output, but little difficult. BODMAS rule is a little difficult. Java precedence operator way of calculation is easy. Let us follow Java style. Left to right, you see minus, no, plus, no, into. We have to execute 3 into 4. Then next, divided by. Next, into. Then divided by. Minus, no, plus, no, then multiply. Understand? Left to right, into division modulo which operator first coming, that operator you keep execute and move to the right side. Again come to the next, minus first executor, plus first executor. Whichever coming first, that execute. 10 minus 5, result plus 3. Okay. And this entire result minus 4 and entire result plus the result. Understood? Let us try to evaluate it completely. Now observe now. Here I want to write evaluation statement. First, what I have to execute here? 3 into 4. What that? 12. Next, 12 by 2. What is the result? 6. Next, 6 into 3. 18. 18 by 2. 9. Okay. Next, 3 into 2. 6. Okay. Next, 10 minus 5. 5. Next, 5 plus 9. 14. Abba, you are very good in maths. Okay. 10 minus 4. 14 minus 4, 10. Next, 10 plus 6, 16. Let's see, is our output, is our evaluation output. I didn't follow BODMAS rule. I just followed Java precedence operator precedence. Then see what is the result. Control 1, 16 I got, some other number I got. Let's see. This is a different number, okay? What the output? 16. Wow, super array. Huh? So who am I? Compiler and JVM. Okay. So if you follow compiler and JVM precedence algorithm, your output is also same. No, I don't want to execute. I don't want to execute minus first. I want to execute plus first. And then in that case, I have to use brackets. I don't want to execute into first. I want to execute minus first. Then I have to use bracket. Now here I am using bracket. Here I am using bracket. Tell me with this bracket evaluation. Tell me the evaluation. Uh, then first 5 plus 3 executed what? 8. Next bracket 2 minus 4 minus 2. Next brackets are gone. 8 plus 8 into 4 32. Next division 32 by 2 16. Next 16 into 3. Ammo, big number. 48. Right. Next 48 by minus 2 minus 24 minus 24 minus into minus plus. Okay. Next 3 into 2 6. Next 10 plus 24 34 34 plus 6 40. Save it. 30. Sorry. 24. Okay. Achha, this is 34. Okay. 34 plus 6 40. Control 1 compile and control 2 execute. Hey, execute. What is coming? False. BODMAS rule such a complex, minus is there, minus you have to consider. When you want to execute this plus, sign also you have to consider. Minus 5 plus 3 you have to consider. Okay. If it is a BODMAS rule, only plus and this much only you consider. Before sign what is there, we don't care. So that's why I want you follow precedence, don't follow BODMAS rule. Okay, right. Yeah. So this expression you write and result is 16. You want evaluation, write evaluation, otherwise leave it, your wish. If you are lazy, no need to write. If you want to carefully understand, write it. I am a student, I wish to write. Because I am Gajini. First, what is executed? Next, 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 what? Next, what? Completed? Okay. Next point, right? If you want to change precedence, if you want to change precedence order, we must use bracket. We must use bracket. Here, 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Arithmetic operators are known operators, but there are so many tricky points are there behind. So those points you must aware to pass interview. One more small puzzle. Ready? Yeah? Last points. Okay. That means your mathematical talent. Don't think like a mathematician. Think like a compiler and JVM. Remember that statement. Did you like that underlines? Underlines why I have written? To tell the steps order, which one executed. Online students, any questions? Done, completed? Down, write down. All 5 arithmetic operators, all 5 arithmetic operators, all 5 arithmetic operators, result type is number. All arithmetic operators, result type is number. Which number? Int number means what? Int, byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean. Double and 6 types. Number types, how many are there? 6. Which type these are? Which type number? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, based on the operand types. Based on the operand types. If I use 2 operands are int plus int, result is what? Int. If I use int plus long, Long plus float. Huh? Long plus float result is long or float? Float ravai. Long ante 10L plus float 20.0 F. What the result must be? 30.0 na? 30.0 is what type? Float. Long plus float result type is float. Long plus float plus double. Double. Understood? Right. The number in bracket, either in bracket, either int or long or int or long or float or double, float or double, close bracket, depending on the types of operands, depending on the types of operands used in the expression. Types of operands used in the expression. Full stop. Next bullet point. Expression result type is always the highest range data type, the highest range data type used in this expression. Highest range data type used in this expression. Highest range, the expression result type is always the highest range data type used in this expression. Used in this expression. Okay. Tell me now. Byte plus byte. Everyone. Short plus short. Everyone should answer. Char plus char. Byte plus byte is not byte. Int. Short plus short is not short. Int. Char plus char is not char. Int. Most danger concept. Right. Note. This based on this compulsory asking questions will come. Note. When we use byte, short and char data types, when we use byte, short and char data types in an expression, when we use byte, short, char data types in an expression, they are automatically promoted to int type. Automatically promoted to int type. Comma. Then the result type of this expression is int. Then the result type of this expression is int. Write on this. Remaining types, no confusion. Int plus int is int. Long plus long is int. Long plus long is long. Float plus float is float. Double plus double is double. Tell me. Boolean plus boolean is? Boolean, Bangar Konda? Compile time. Jyotiraditya. Secret it is. Why byte short is promoted to int? It is secret. Secrets will be told by anybody? No. Interview, if ask the same question, what do you say? Secret, how can I tell? I don't tell, sorry, okay. Long plus float. Float. Long plus double. Floater, double. In JVM architecture, I will reveal that secret. రాసావా? ఏం రాసావు? ఇంకా కొన్ని రాసా నేను అక్కడ. All people are understood? No need to understand. That I have to remember. Okay? So simple point. What is that? When I prepare an expression, first I have to verify what is the highest range data type. Okay, the result of this type is what? Highest range. Next point. In the expression, if I use only byte or only short or only char, all the three combination, the result of that expression is what type? Int type. Remember these points. Now with these points, let me ask two questions. Ready? Yes. All the people know very well. Okay. Tell me what is the output of this statement. Right down. Division operator special points. Right. Division operator special points. Plus operator special point completed. What is that? It can be used as a addition operator and concatenation operator. Now division operator special points. Only 1 point is there. Okay, 2 points actually. No, 3 points. 3 points. Write that statement as it is. Directly write SOP and program not. What is the output? This is your favorite mathematics. Pi r square. Pi 22/7 is what? Pi r square. R into r. We cannot write in Java r square. We have to write r into r. Tell me what is the output. Don't tell outside. You write in your notes. Simple mathematics. Error. No error. All are numbers only I used. Darshan, there is no error. All are numbers only, na? We can use arithmetic operators for numbers. Don't tell. I said don't tell. You write and wait. I will ask. Completed? A program on the right then the program on the rastum. Yes, what will not try in Japan. Rasko. The output. Mass 22/7 and anta. Enta mass pi value anta. అది ఎంత నంబర్లో? 3. ఆ పక్కన క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకో, పక్కన క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకో. 22/7 ఎంత? మినిమం 2 డిజిట్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. డాట్ తర్వాత మినిమం 2 డిజిట్స్ ఉండాలి. పెట్టు. ఎక్కడ 0 పెట్టారు? కింద 0 పెట్టారు. 30 పక్కన 0. ఏమైంది? ఎంత? 7 4s 1 4. ఇక్కడ 0 అక్కడ 0, 2 సార్లు 0 పెట్టకూడదు. ఇక్కడ 0 రాసుకుంటాం అంతే. 7 4s 4 ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. 0 ఒకటే. కోషెంట్లో 0 ఉండకూడదు. ఎంత ఇప్పుడు వాల్యూ? రాయి అక్కడ. ఇంటూ ఎంత మొత్తం? మొత్తం వాల్యూ అది ప్రింట్ అయింది. ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది కదా, రిజల్ట్ ప్రింట్ అయింది కదా. రిజల్ట్ ప్రింట్ అయింది కదా. రిజల్ట్ ఎంత? మొత్తం టోటల్ వాల్యూ ఎంత? ఇప్పుడు పాయింట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంటూ 10 వేస్తే ఎటు పక్క జరిగింది పాయింట్? లెఫ్ట్ సైడా రైట్ సైడా? మరి జరుపు. ఎన్ని జీరోస్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నావు? మరి ఇప్పుడు ఎన్నిసార్లు జరిగిద్ది? మరి జరుపు. ఎంత వాల్యూ? డాట్ లెఫ్ట్కి జరిగిద్దా రైట్కి జరిగిద్దా? జరుపు. మరి ఎంత వాల్యూ? $300 ఎందుకు వస్తుంది నీకు? రాయ్. ఆ పాయింట్ ఇటు జరిపేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది? 3. తర్వాత ఏముంది? రాయ్. నేనేం చేయలేను. ఇంకా చిన్న చిన్న పాయింట్లు కూడా నేను చెప్పమంటే ఎక్కడ చెప్తాను నేను? ఆల్ బాయ్స్ ప్లీజ్ లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ యూ గాట్? టెల్ మీ. 314. 314. Hey, answer. 314. 314. 314. What I told you, don't show your talent. Everyone, clearly I told you, arithmetic operator result type is depending on the operand types you use in the expression. Don't think like a mathematician. Think like a compiler and JVM. 22/7. 22/7. What is the 22/7? In maths 3.14. Right? In Java you have to consider types. 22 what type? Int. By 7 what type? Int. Int by int what type? Int by int what type? What you have to take? Int. Ante this 0.14 should take or should not take? Should not take. 3. 22/7 value is not 3.14. It is 3. Ayyo. 22 in 7 in int by int result is what? Int. Adhavina Raja? Okay, this is the most confusion point. You will commit mistake. Okay, right on side 300. Enduko? Why in Java 3 only will come? Because the operands are of what type? Int. Answer is 300 in bracket, not 314. Because, last one. Because it is not maths. Because operand types 22 and 7 are int. So result is int. 314, 300, 300. Hence, 22 by 7 value is 3, but not 3.14. So not only plus operator, division operator, multiplication operator, everything will follow the types rule. All people understand a tricky point? No, sir, I want 3.14. Okay, consider either numerator or denominator as float type or double type. Float type or double type. Look at here. Now tell me what is the output. 22f is what? Float by 7. Float by int. Result is float. That means not double, float. Float by int. Result is float. That means 3.14. Exactly 2 digits it will take? No. Some more extra digits will come. Into 10. And tell me, when you multiply into 10, the dot will be moved to left side or right side? Right side, not left side. Some students are moving to right side and say 0.0314. No. It is moving to right side. Into 10, 31.4. Again into 10, 314. 314 will come, 314 point, some digits will come. 314 points, some extra digits will come. 22d by 7 also same, but here it is a float. Number of fractional portion will be around 6 to 7 will be there. If it is a double, more digits will be there. Are you following? But final result will be 314 point only, but extra digits will be there after fractional portion. That is only the difference. Observe now. Control 1 compile, control 2 execute. Look at their output. 314, 2857, 2857, extra digits are there. Clear my point? Side you right now. Float by int. Result is float. Double by int. Result is double. That means here 22 by 7 is 3. 22 by 22f by 7 is 3.14287. 287 ena? 2857. D. D means what? Double. What is this value? .14. So here output is 314.2857. 314 point. So you have to be very carefully answer with the division operator. Mathematics division, if you do in Java, you will get wrong answers. Depending on the type, you have to consider the result. Share these points to your friends so that you will get enjoyed. You want to get enjoyment, you should feel you know better than other people. Completed? Okay, with this knowledge, can you try to quickly answer 2 questions? Okay, it's just mathematics questions only, okay? Simple mathematics. And now tell me, what is the output of? What is the output of 1 by 2? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5, no? 0.5 or 0 na? 0, because int by int. 0 by 2. Come on, maths. 0 by any number is what, Adiksha? 0. Next, tell me. 2 by 1. Any number by 1 is what? The same number. Okay, it's all maths, LKG level maths. Okay, Java, I told you, in demo class, 10 plus 20, how much? You sold 30. Java is easy to learn. So if you know addition, subtractions enough, Java is easily you can understand. So 1 by 2, 0 by 2, 2 by 1. Clear my point? Now I have a question. Tell me, what is the output of 2 by 0? Come on, everyone. 2 by 0, how much? Infinity. Excellent. First, let me show you the output 1 by 2. What is the output? 1 by 2 is 0. And next, 0 by any number is what? 0. A number by 1 is same number. Okay. Now, like in maths, in Java also, I am dividing a number by 0. So, what the answer? Infinity. Control 1. Where infinity? In maths. But in Java, not infinity. Exception. Java.lang. Arithmetic exception. Tell me. Again, you are missing the point. Infinity, a number system starts with what? Infinity, minus infinity to positive infinity. Is that minus infinity to positive infinity that much big number is in the range of int? No. So according to mass, it is infinity a, but it is not in the range of int. What is the result here? Int by int. Result should be what? Int. Is infinity in the range of int? No. That's why JVM is throwing exception. What is the exception? Arithmetic exception. So tell me now, can I divide a integer number by integer 0? No. If you try, we will get exception. On division operator, we have to consider 3 points I told you. Point number 1, you have to carefully consider the numerator type and denominator type to decide the result type. Int by int is int. The fractional portion you have not taken. Float by int or double by int is a fractional portion you have to take. Next, second point, in maths you can divide a number by 0 and result is infinity. But in Java, you have to consider the type 2 int, 0 int by int 0. It leads to what? Arithmetic exception. Clear my point? Write down this one. Are writing output also same? What is 1 by 2? 0. 0 by 2? 0. 2 by 1? 2. 2 by 0? Compile time error. It's not compile time error, runtime error, arithmetic exception, runtime error, arithmetic exception. Okay. Now, what is the output of this statement? Tell. This is exception, so I'm commenting. Now tell me 2.0 by 0. 2.0 is what? Double number. Double number by 0. Result is no exception. It is now infinity. Mathematics will work here. Infinity. Infinity not symbol, right? Infinity is the word. Okay, in maths you will write infinity symbol like this, no? Not symbol, it is a word, infinity. Listen, now, I'm writing something like this. Minus 2.0 by 0. Come on. A floating point number by 0 is infinity. But which infinity? Minus infinity. Do you have minus infinity in the maths? Hey, Esra Babu, only Instagram, complete, fully forgot. What is the output? Minus infinity. Number system starts with minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, right up. 2.0 by 0 minus 2.000. Infinity minus infinity. Words. Side write down these points. In Java, yeah, 0.0 place you can write DRF, your wish. In Java, we cannot divide integer number by integer 0. Integer number by integer 0. We cannot divide integer number by integer 0. We will get exception AE, capital AE. We will get exception capital AE. AE stands for arithmetic exception. Next, we can divide a floating point number by 0. We can divide a floating point number by 0. Here floating point number means either float or double type. A floating point number by 0, we will get result infinity. We will get result infinity. Okay, for just checking your knowledge, I just written like this. Check once. What is the output of these statements? Any compile time error, runtime error. 2 by 0.0. Arithmetic exception or infinity? What is this number? Integer. What is this number? Double. Now automatically this number also converted as a double. Na? What is the output? Infinity. Next 2f by 0, infinity. 2 by 0f, infinity. Minus 2.0 by 0 also, minus infinity. And look. Compile, execute. All are infinity, infinity, infinity. Clear my point? So just you have to say that numerator or denominator must be a floating point number. Okay. Now, everyone tell me, what is 0 by 0? Mass, I'm asking. 0 by 0? 0 by 0, not 0, Swami. 0 by 0 is undefined. I have to start LKG mathematics again. What is the 0 by 0 value? Undefined. It is not 0. Any number by 0 is, 0 by any number is 0. 0 by 0 is undefined. But in Java, arithmetic exception. Just now I told you, na? Why arithmetic exception? Any number by any integer by integer 0 is what? Arithmetic exception. Don't put your leg in the, okay? What is the output here? Arithmetic exception. Now I am commenting this. If I write floating point 0 by 0, now undefined. In Java, that undefined is Nana. Hi, Nana. What is that? Nan, not Nana. Nan. N-A-N. Not a number. Not a number. Understand? Everyone tell me. Minus 0.g by 0? Minus Nana. Huh? Era. Minus Nana. So such a nice people you are. Huh? It's not a number and a positive not a number, negative not a number will be there. Nice people. Answer is nan only. There is no positive nan, negative nan. Positive infinity, negative infinity is there. Okay? Write on third point. Write on this program and then side. This is here runtime error. Arithmetic exception. And this is right. This is right. Capital N-A-N. Capital N-A-N. These all maths, not Java. Side you write. In maths, 0 by 0 is undefined. Next, in Java, integer 0 by integer 0 is arithmetic exception. AE write down, AE shortcut is arithmetic exception. Next, floating point 0 by 0. Floating point 0 by 0 is NaN, nan. Okay, so on decimal value, on a division operator, we have 3 points. Okay, first point is the result type, depending on the numerator and denominator. Next, second point, integer number by 0, floating point number by 0. Dividing a number by 0 into number, arithmetic exception, double number, infinity, minus infinity. Third point, 0 by 0. Numerator is 0, denominator is also 0. Integer 0 by integer 0, arithmetic exception. Floating point 0 by 0 is nan. 3 points. Third point, one more, sir. This is the first point. This is second point. This is third point. 3 points covered. Surendra. Okay. So hope you all comfortable. Okay, nice. Let me remove all these points. Next batch also I should torture, no? If I write all these points here, next batch students will get answers, no? And are these points to teach you your juniors are not required? Not required, eh? You want to get Java? Okay. Right. With this, we completed arithmetic operators. Let us try to see. All points you have learnt on this operator. Where is the list of questions? Here. Come on. We have answered all these questions for assignment operator. Let us try to see now. How many operators and what are they? How many arithmetic operators? 5. What are they? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulo. What is the use of those operators? Plus for adding two numbers, two characters, two strings. Minus is for subtracting two numbers, two characters. Multiplication also numbers, characters. Division also number, characters. Modulo also numbers and characters. Okay, next. Type of operator. All 5 operators are binary operators. Allowed operands. Tell me, left side, right side. Literal is allowed. 10 plus 20. Yes. Variable a plus b allowed. Expression a plus b plus c. Expression also can be used. Method call allowed. All 4 operands are allowed as a operand. But for assignment operator, left side is only variable, right side all 4 allowed. But arithmetic operators all are allowed. Type of operands allowed. Plus operator is applied on all types? No. Plus operator is applied on primitive types? Hey, Boolean? No. Okay. It is allowed to apply on number, character, string. Minus operator applied only on number, character. And division, multiplication, division, remainder also on number and character. If you apply on other types, compiler throw bad operand types. Okay, next point. Operator result type. Now addition operator result type is either number or string. It can apply to string also, na? Will you get character? No. Character is also converted as int. So the result type number, int or long or float or double or string. Okay. Next, minus operator, only number. Into division also, only number. Okay. Next, what are we allowed to place its expression? Oh, sorry. What are the places? Okay. Where are we allowed to place its expression? Tell me, can I write 10 plus 20 as a single statement? Can I write a equal to 10 as a single statement? Yes. Can I write 10 plus 20 as a single statement? No. If you use any of the 5 arithmetic operator expressions as a single statement, compiler throw error. What are you doing with the result? So that's why compiler throwing error. So you must allow to use this expression either as a variable assignment, a equal to 10 plus 20, or as an operand, expression operand, 10 plus 20 into 20 plus 20, right? Or as a method argument, SOPLN 10 plus 20. So you cannot use as a single statement. Next, operator precedence and associativity. So tell me, arithmetic operator, all operators are executed left to right or right to left? Left to right. Okay, 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, not 20 plus 10. So prove it, sir. Prove it how 10 plus 20 executing. Suppose you call M1 plus M2. Can I also call na? M1 plus M2 when you write. Which method first executed? M1, then M2. If associativity is from right to left, which is first executed? M2, then M1. Suppose if I write int I1 equal to M1 equal to M2, something I have written. Then which one first executed? M2. So if you want to prove the associativity from left to right, you call the methods M1 plus M2, then you can see the output. Next, operator precedence. Which operator first executed? Into division modulo first, and then plus minus next. Next, operator usage in combination with other operators. If I use these arithmetic operators with assignment operator, which operator first executed? Arithmetic, and then what? Assignment operator. Sample programs, just now we completed. Interview questions, just now completed. Same interview questions are OCJP bits. Okay, all points are covered now. Right. I want to give one small program. Can you write now? With all these 6 operators. Hello, 6 operators completed, right? Assignment plus arithmetic. With all these 6 operators, I want to write one small program. Right? Develop a program. Develop a program to find 20% of 500. Develop a program to find 20% of 500. Develop a program to find 20% of 500. Right now, why you're seeing my face? %20 of 500. Do you know percentage formula? Tell me what I told. Int number, what the number? 500. Next, percentage. Int percentage, what the percentage? 20. Then what the formula? Int result equal to number into percentage by 100. Semicolon. అయిపోయింది అంతే. అంతే కదా? System dot out dot println result. Percentage D percentage D is percentage D. %20 of 500 is result. Correcta? Amma? Percentage by 100 bracket. Where I have to write bracket? Here. Here I should write bracket. Why? Who will execute first? Number into percentage by 100. First, what I have to execute? Number into percentage divided by 100. In maths, what you write? Number into percentage divided by 100. This is a mathematics style of writing. This underline will come as a division. Actually, this is the bracket. Here you should write bracket. But bracket is not required because both are having same precedence. Executed left to right. Babu, I told you, simple mathematics, if you know enough Java, you can learn. Simple mathematics only you are developing in Java, not more than that. Look at that. What is your mathematical calculation here? 500 into 20 by 100. What is it? 500 into 20? 1000? 5? Okay, sorry. 1000. 1000 by 10,000 by 100. What? 0, 0 gone. Then result is what? 100. So let's see what you'll get. Here println or printf? Printf. Control 1, compile. Cannot find. PER. Compile and execute. %20 of 500 is 100. Correctly coming up? That's it. Control. I don't want hard code values in the program. Okay, write down. Rewrite above program. Rewrite above program by reading values from keyboard. By reading values from keyboard. By reading values from keyboard. Help me how to rewrite this code now. This is hard coded code, right? This is a hard coded way. I don't want hard coded approach. I want dynamic approach. Then what do you write? Scanner SCN equals to new scanner of system.in. Then enter. Write. Don't watch system dot. Don't teach me. Okay. I know. You write and tell me. Double quotes. Enter number. Next. Take that number into variable. Int number equal to scn dot next int. Tell me, after next int, should I call next line? Not required. Because what type of number you are reading next? String or number only? Number only. System dot out dot print of double quotes. Enter percentage. 10% or 20% or 15% or okay. Int percentage equals to scn dot next int. And then int result equal to number into percentage by 100. Then print the same SOPLN statement here. This is dynamic code. We need to add import statement. Import java.util.scanner. Already added. Compile. Cannot find symbol. PRC percentage. Compile. Execute. Enter number 500. Percentage 20. 20% of 500 is 100. Okay, super. Next, let us try one more number. Is it working for other number? Enter number 1000. Okay, percentage is 100%. Then what the result? 1000, 100% I want. 1000. Okay, na? Right. Program is working. Nice. Tell me, this is object-oriented style programmer or mathematics programmer? Finding percentage of a given number is what? Maths. Correct? Maths program. Okay. Completed, everyone? Write down. Next question. Develop a program. Develop a program. Develop a program to increase salary of an employee, to increase salary of an employee by 20%. Develop a program to increase the salary of an employee by 20%. Suppose the employee salary is now 10,000. Then after increasing 20%, what his salary should be? 12,000. Understood? Can you write that program? Same program. Here we call just a percentage. There we call what? Salary increment. Okay. So mathematics based also you should understand how to apply this mathematics to the object calculation also you should understand. I taught maths, you try to implement object. Okay, na? Object means number place what is coming? Salary. Okay, percentage place what is coming? Salary increment percentage. Okay, total salary how much? Original salary how much? 10,000. Incremental salary how much? 12,000. That's it. So try to develop that code also by your own at home. Okay, with this we completed. Listen carefully. Our style of learning is understand the concept based program, and then interview questions, and then project. So on all five operators, assignment operator and arithmetic operators, we learn concept based program, then complete list of interview questions, then finally math based project and object oriented programming based project we have understood. So we learn all levels, all three levels we learn. It's the time now you have to practice by your own. Clear my point? Right. I will share already recorded videos of these two topics again in the Google Drive today. Any of you wanted to do revision, you can do revision. Are you following my point? So already explained every point I have explained, whatever there in the video. If you want a revision of this topic, I'm again sharing that videos. If you want, you can watch and understand. Okay. But by tomorrow you are coming to class. I hope you will practice everything and come. Now, can you please write notes for these 10 points for assignment operator and arithmetic operator by your own? Summary. As a summary today, after going to home, I will upload this slide today to the Google Classroom. Assignment operator, first point, answer. Second point, answer. Third point, answer. I want you to write. If you are unable to write, leave the gap. Ask me tomorrow, I will tell you. Totally how many points you have to write? 20. 20 points. 10 points for assignment operator. Same 10 points for arithmetic operators. Clear? So thank you. That's all for today class. Hope you all understood today class. Yeah. Thank you. Are you increasing your confidence or decreasing confidence? If you are feeling tough, I will skip these topics. What do you say? Okay, na? Shall I continue? Okay. Thank you. Long value is 10. Float value is 10.0. First understand. Can represent long as a float? Can you represent float as a long? No. 0.1. Okay. Second point. Long memory size is 8 bytes. Float memory size is 4 bytes. Long value I can store in float because float will store data in exponential format, not direct. 8 bytes of data here directly will be stored as a number, but float will store the data in exponential format. To store data in exponential format, large memory is not required. It's like a compressed zip file. Exponential format is nothing but zip file format. So if you want to share 100 files individual, 100 bytes of memory required. If you compress it, only 8 bytes or 6 bytes are sufficient, right? Like that, float is compressing in an exponential format. That's why it can be stored. Clear? Exponential format.